Good morning, my students, and welcome to Madrassa Net. My students, we're going today to see your second part, of course, concerning I listen and do. And this course will be for third year, 3 a.m. تلاميذي الأعزاء، اليوم سوف نبدأ الجزء الثاني لنص الاستماع. We're going to see new things. سوف نرى أشياء جديدة. So let's talk here, before of course starting the lesson, let's talk about the title. We remember as usual the title, then we start. What do you have? You have here what we call, okay, sequence 1 as usual. The title, we read it together. You have me, my abilities, my interests, and my personality. As I explained last time, when we talk about me, it means myself, my abilities, قدراتي, my interests, what I like or what I dislike, and my personality, my bad and good features. We move to the next point. What is it? Let's see here. I listen and do part 2. We're going here to explain some points. What is it? How to fill my profile. كيف نملأ بطاقتي. What do we have here? I will explain one point. What do you mean by my profile? When we say my profile here, I have to fill my profile. It means here, what do you have? My profile means my personal information. You see here, what does it mean? My profile means my personal information. بمعنى معلوماتي الشخصية. This is what do you mean by my profile. When we say my profile means my personal information. معلوماتي الشخصية. We move to the next point. What do you have? This is my profile. What do we have in a profile? First name, surname, the age, nationality, hometown, country. I can talk in my profile about my interests, sex. Here we have M and F. I will explain these points. Follow me. You have here some notes. Of course, some notes concerning my profile. We will discuss these notes. سوف نناقش هذه الملاحظات الخاصة بمعلوماتي الشخصية. We start here. What do you have? When we say surname, what does it mean, surname? It means I have to talk about family name. Family name. You see here? Like when we say William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare. You see here? William is the first name and Shakespeare is the surname. It means family name. اللقب. The second point, when we say hometown. What does it mean here? Hometown means where do you live? Hometown means where do you live? Okay? Then interests. When we say interests, it means what do you like? What are you interested in? بمعنى ماذا تحب? When we talk about my interests, I have to ask a question, what do you like? Okay? The next, when we talk about sex here, I said sex, it means M for male, boy, a man بمعنى مذكر أو ذكر. And when we say female means woman or girl, أنثى. So this is what do we mean by sex. We use M for male and we use F for female. Next, let's talk about nationality now. Here, there are some points we have to discuss together. Of course, nationality, when we say nationality, بمعنى الجنسية. عندما نقول الجنسية. I will explain how to form nationality. We have here, to form nationality, we add the suffixes to some countries, which are ish, in, is. لكي نستخرج الجنسية من البلد نضيف هذه الحروف في آخر البلد. ish, in, is. I will show you some examples and we will see some countries when we add these suffixes, how do we pronounce them. Let's see together here. We have here some examples. I will read them. We have Algeria. I can say here, I am from Algeria. You see here, عندما نقول البلد نقول أنا من الجزائر. I am from Algeria. Here, I have to use country. هنا يجب علي أن أستعمل البلد Algeria. I am from Algeria. If I want to say my nationality, I am Algerian. I am Algerian. You see here, we add the suffix in. I am Algerian. So here, we form nationality from Algeria by adding in. Let's see together the second example. Britain. Nationality is British. You see here? Britain, nationality is British. Here, we form nationality from Britain by adding ish, the suffix ish. استخرجنا الجنسية من البلد بريطانيا. أنا بريطاني. We say I am British. I am from Britain. I am British. The third one, when we say China. I am from China. I am from China. أنا من الصين. But when we say أنا صينية, I am Chinese. I am Chinese. We add the suffix is. The next exercise or the next example, Japan. I am from Japan. أنا من اليابان. For nationality, when we say I am Japanese. I am Japanese. The same thing with Chinese, Japanese. Let's see. When we say island, you see here the nationality, Irish. I am from Ireland. I am Irish. You see here how we change the country to nationality by adding some suffixes. The last example, of course, I am from America. I am American. I am American. You see here? So to form nationality, we can add in, ish, is, like these examples. Okay. لنستخرج الجنسية نضيفه للبلدان in إيش or is. So these are some examples concerning, of course, how do we form nationalities. Thank you very much, my third year. See you next time with the new lesson and new course, of course, with listen and do. Thank you very much. See you next time and goodbye.